In this video, I'm about to show you how to generate a QR code for your location on Google Maps. First, go to your Google business profile and click on Sign In from the top right corner. As you can see, you can get $400 in ad credit when you spend $400 on ads. Next, select your business and click on Edit Profile. Then click on Location. Then scroll down to the Business Location section. Here you'll see a map. Click on the red location pin. You can now enter your street address, address line, sector, town, city, postcode, service area, and opening hours. After entering the details, click on Save. Now go back to your profile and you'll see that your location is added. Next, open a new tab and search for the QR code generator. Now click on the first link that appears. Go back to your Google business profile, click on Address, and click on the red location icon on the map. Now copy the URL from the address bar to get the location link. Head to the QR code website, paste the URL into the field, and then select a frame for your QR code. Click on Download QR to save it. If prompted, you can continue with Google to complete the process. Finally, select your preferred format and click on Download to save your QR code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.